10th century, 11th century, 13th century, 14th century, 15th century, 16th century, 17th century, 18th century, 19th century, 20th century, 21st century, 3rd century, 5th century, 6th century, 7th century, 8th century, 9th century, able man, Aboriginal people, above level, above ground, above example, above average, above limit, abrupt change, absorb water, absorb light, absorb energy, absorb heat, absorption spectra, abstract concept, abstract reasoning, abundant supply, abundant water, academic discipline, academic research, academic study, academic journal, academic field, academic performance, accelerate rate, accelerate development, accept theory, accept invitation, accept idea, accept offer, access resource, access information, access site, accessible introduction, accommodate people, account for, account form, account number, account creation, accurately predict, accurately describe, accurately reflect, achieve goal, achieve success, achieve result, achieve balance, achieve purpose, achieve rank, achieve understanding, achieve control, achieve end, achieve work, acid rain, acid soil, acquire language, acquire information, acquire knowledge, acquire land, across country, across world, across Europe, across globe, across culture, across continent, across nation, across boundary, across border, across field, across sea, act require, act plan, act play, action plan, action group, action program, action force, active role, active participant, active area, active research, active participation, active life, active process, actively participate, actively involve, actively engage, actively work, activity system, activity area, activity result, activity event, actor play, actual number, actual occurrence, actual rate, actually have, actually be, actually do, adapt climate, adapt system, adaptation process, add up, add element, add number, add value, add water, add variety, add figure, addition use, additional source, additional benefit, additional factor, additional material, additional research, address problem, adhere to, adjacent area, administration support, administration B, adopt system, adopt approach, adopt policy, adult child, adult male, adult life, advanced technology, advanced science, advanced party, advanced culture, advanced technology, advanced civilization, advanced technique, advanced institute, advanced method, advanced economy, adverse effect, adverse impact, adverse outcome, adversely affect, advisory committee, advisory group, advocacy group, advocate argue, aerial photograph, aerial view, aesthetic appeal, affect people, affect development, affect growth, affect climate, affect life, affect system, affect behavior, affect environment, affect directly, affect quality, affect stability, affect result, affected area, Africa Australia, African Americans, African country, African descent, African people, African woman, African community, after school, after work, after find, against nature, against wall, against invasion, against discrimination, age group, age range, age structure, agency organization, agricultural revolution, agricultural production, agricultural product, agricultural practice, agricultural science, agricultural land, agricultural economy, agricultural society, agricultural system, agricultural crop, agricultural field, agricultural industry, agricultural area, agricultural development, agricultural landscape, agricultural college, agricultural technique, agricultural surplus, agricultural labor, agriculture forestry, agriculture industry, agriculture production, agriculture organization, agriculture engineering, agriculture provide, agriculture tourism, aid development, air pollution, air quality, air temperature, air force, air mass, air pollutant, air bubble, air chamber, air flow, air space, air conditioning, air transport, air stream, air travel, air circulation, alarm signal, alcoholic beverage, alcoholic drink, all around, all about, allergic reaction, allow use, allow access, allow people, allow development, allow import, almost always, almost certainly, almost complete, almost identical, almost impossible, almost never, along coast, along river, along shore, already have, already present, already exist, already use, already see, already become, already begin, already know, already be, already put, also include, also refer, also see, also produce, also affect, also show, also become, also provide, also influence, also contribute, also contain, also consider, also create, also allow, also involve, also believe, also important, also result, also propose, also bring, also require, also reveal, also change, also release, also claim, also employ, also apply, also support, also depend, also need, also mean, also encourage, also inspire, also point, also engage, also express, also offer, also adopt, also assess, also reflect, also spread, also benefit, also enable, also gain, also possible, also agree, also announce, also mention, also receive, also remain, also seem, also represent, also available, also confirm, also leave, also acknowledge, also notice, also prove, also recommend, also remove, also concern, also critical, also popular, also understand, also concerned, also essential, alter way, alternative view, alternative theory, alternative explanation, alternative method, alternative approach, alternative form, alternative system, alternative use, alternative name, alternative solution, always have, always accompany, always beneficial, Amazon rainforest, Amazon river, Amazon region, ambient temperature, Amendment Act, America country, American culture, American literature, American society, American population, American woman, American community, American people, American child, American history, American writer, American life, American nation, American city, American student, American system, American continent, American force, American farmer, American identity, American museum, American citizen, American experience, American film, American tradition, American family, American company, American English, American politics, American economy, American market, American story, American Union, American Midwest, American public, American influence, American newspaper, American president, amino acid, amount increase, ample evidence, amusement park, anaerobic condition, analog computer, analysis show, analysis reveal, analysis indicate, analysis technique, analysis system, analysis result, analysis tool, analysis work, analytical technique, analytical tool, analyze datum, ancient Greece, ancient Egypt, ancient time, ancient world, ancient Egyptian, ancient art, ancient civilization, ancient Rome, ancient Egyptians, ancient China, ancient literature, ancient history, ancient people, ancient culture, ancient city, ancient tradition, ancient society, ancient philosopher, ancient text, ancient site, ancient monument, ancient origin, ancient practice, ancient mythology, ancient religion, ancient statue, animal behavior, animal species, animal husbandry, animal life, animal kingdom, animal skin, animal cell, animal welfare, animal product, animal waste, animal breeding, animal rights, animal dye, annual precipitation, annual rate, annual rainfall, annual temperature, annual capacity, annual cycle, annual meeting, annual variation, annual increase, annual award, annual report, answer question, Antarctic ice, antibiotic resistance, apparent paradox, application principle, application method, application science, application theory, application field, application use, application for, application technology, application technique, application knowledge, application development, application control, apply theory, apply research, approach study, approach analysis, approach research, appropriate action, appropriate term, approximately equal, aquatic environment, aquatic life, Arab world, arable land, archaeological site, archaeological evidence, archaeological record, archaeological discovery, archaeological find, archaeological remains, archaeological site, architect design, architectural style, architecture design, Arctic Ocean, Arctic region, Arctic Circle, arduous journey, area land, area population, area country, argue point, arid region, arid climate, arid land, arid area, armed force, armed conflict, armed resistance, armed forces, armed attack, army soldier, around world, around globe, around country, arouse interest, array structure, arrival time, arrival date, arrive late, arrow point, art form, art movement, art museum, art craft, art history, art collection, art historian, art world, art gallery, art literature, art science, art tradition, art piece, art language, art class, art practice, article title, article type, article describe, artificial satellite, artificial intelligence, artificial light, artillery piece, artist work, artistic movement, as usual, asexual reproduction, Asian country, Asian culture, ask question, ask help, ask assistance, assembly line, assess impact, assess risk, assess value, assessment report, assign value, associate with, associate work, assure safety, asteroid impact, at beginning, at top, at bottom, Atlantic Ocean, atmosphere ocean, atmosphere water, atmosphere temperature, atmospheric pressure, atmospheric circulation, atmospheric condition, atmospheric oxygen, atmospheric temperature, atomic bomb, atomic scale, attain level, attempt fail, attend school, attend church, attend college, attend ceremony, attention focus, attention deficit, attitude change, attract attention, attract people, author mention, author write, author create, author note, author suggest, author book, author say, author argue, authority decide, authority control, automated system, automotive industry, available information, available evidence, available resource, available material, available energy, available online, available time, available service, available supply, average temperature, average distance, average rate, average speed, average year, average value, average income, average size, average time, average amount, average rainfall, average height, average weight, average increase, average person, average level, average number, average age, average price, average range, average American, average elevation, avoid contact, avoid conflict, avoid detection, award prize, award degree, awareness campaign, bachelor degree, backup, back row, bacterial infection, bad weather, bad air, badly hurt, bake bread, balance budget, balance system, balanced budget, bald man, ball bearing, ballistic missile, ban use, bank account, bare rock, base system, base theory, base model, base method, base form, baseline, base element, base number, base principle, base station, base information, base knowledge, base source, base material, base type, base economy, base composition, base price, base rate, base test, base size, base amount, base project, base shape, basic research, basic science, basic type, basic principle, basic skill, basic unit, basic element, basic concept, basic feature, basic structure, basic need, basic form, basic question, basic tool, basic premise, basic process, basic subject, basin area, basis system, battle against, Bay Area, be able, be likely, be important, be common, be influence, be similar, be available, be responsible, be place, be possible, be small, be different, be control, be often, be dependent, be necessary, be long, be time, be popular, be related, be visible, be separate, be concern, be strong, be effective, be successful, be member, be capable, be essential, be rare, be unable, be active, be about, be same, be useful, be complete, be concerned, be equal, be complex, be problem, be unknown, be free, be impossible, be difference, be true, be consistent, be influential, be interested, be stable, be equivalent, be sensitive, be unique, be short, be beneficial, be sufficient, be vulnerable, be home, be significant, be susceptible, be kind, be expensive, be order, be controversial, be probably, be unclear, be aware, be characteristic, be always, be absent, be critical, be evident, be identical, be apparent, be resistant, be simple, be uncertain, be well, be independent, be appropriate, be damage, be warm, be already, be specific, be unlikely, be comparable, be relative, be young, be hot, be typical, be crucial, be representative, be harmful, be constant, be limited, be familiar, be market, be severe, be suitable, be accurate, be central, be medium, be complicated, be native, be positive, be scarce, be efficient, be full, be reluctant, be uncommon, be accessible, be alive, be importance, be unusual, be fundamental, be helpful, be solid, be hostile, be safe, be uniform, be wrong, be conflict, be dominant, be inclined, be remember, be benefit, be costly, be powerful, be ready, be reward, be advantage, be negative, be superior, be relevant, be underway, be incomplete, be insufficient, be mistaken, be sure, be extreme, be abstract, be variable, be vital, be liquid, be perhaps, be obvious, be unaffected, be universal, be valuable, be indicative, be integral, be poisonous, be serious, be valid, be natural, be normal, be perfect, be religious, be inadequate, be inconsistent, be moderate, be opposite, be favorable, be conducive, be flexible, be prosperous, be satisfied, be individual, be acceptable, be healthy, be inappropriate, be irrelevant, be neglect, be profitable, be adequate, be attractive, be challenging, be convenient, be desirable, be detrimental, be inferior, be negligible, be unconstitutional, be exempt, be gradual, be insignificant, be realistic, be reliable, be tolerant, be economical, be extensive, be illegal, be practical, be skilled, be surprising, be ahead, be continuous, be exclusive, be productive, be respected, be unnecessary, be global, be applicable, be conservative, be contingent, be inactive, be incapable, be remarkable, be vague, be compact, be advantageous, be confident, be dangerous, be fatal, be ideal, be interesting, be meaningful, be steep, be surprise, be aggressive, be competitive, be danger, be deficient, be enormous, be incorrect, be inevitable, be parallel, be reasonable, be sophisticated, be straightforward, be subordinate, be subtle, be suspicious, be traditional, be unrelated, be coincidence, be damaging, be impractical, be scared, be skeptical, be sustainable, be top, be unaware, be worldwide, be busy, be complementary, be fortunate, be indispensable, be official, be pleasant, be preferable, be radical, be speculative, be trivial, be unchanged, be unhappy, be afraid, be married, be objective, be paramount, be permanent, be personal, be potential, be primitive, be profound, be commonplace, be destructive, be devastating, be imperative, be legal, be liable, be luxury, be manageable, be mature, be qualified, be receptive, be risky, be unacceptable, be unfamiliar, be unwilling, be exceptional, be local, be mistake, be odd, be precious, be punctuate, be regular, be temporary, be worried, be worthless, be absolute, be actual, be competent, be confusing, be favorite, be inclusive, be particular, be rooted, be sympathetic, be commercial, be exhausted, be flawed, be frightened, be preferred, be accustomed, be automated, be calm, be outdated, be surprised, be contrary, be organized, be pronounced, bear child, bear fruit, bear witness, bearded man, beat back, become common, become popular, become extinct, become part, become available, become important, become widespread, become apparent, become president, become possible, become aware, become famous, become difficult, become problem, become leader, become phenomenon, become successful, become symbol, become place, become necessary, become time, become vulnerable, become friend, become inactive, begin work, begin career, begin study, begin process, beginning date, beginning period, behavior pattern, behavior change, belief system, believe way, believe God, bell tower, below surface, below level, below ground, below threshold, beneath surface, beneficial effect, beneficial mutation, benefit people, benefit for, benefit society, big bang, big city, big game, big issue, big impact, big one, big role, bilateral symmetry, $1 billion, bind together, biodiversity loss, biodiversity conservation, biological diversity, biological system, biological science, biological process, biological research, biological effect, biological mechanism, biological physical, biological evolution, biological agent, biological factor, biological chemical, biological phenomenon, biology study, biology physics, biosphere reserve, bird species, bird song, birth rate, birth defect, black death, black sea, black man, blood pressure, blood vessel, blood flow, blood cholesterol, blood glucose, blood type, bloody war, blow away, blue-green, blue light, blue sky, blue color, blue collar, blue dot, blue collar, blur distinction, board member, board ship, boarding school, body part, body temperature, body weight, body water, body system, body size, body mass, body movement, body structure, body surface, body cavity, body shape, body armor, body heat, body type, body language, body balance, boil water, boiling point, boiling water, bony fish, book title, book series, boost economy, border state, borehole, botanical garden, bottom up, bottom right, bottom layer, boundary region, brain size, brand name, breakdown, break up, break out, breakthrough, break apart, break barrier, breast cancer, breast milk, breathe in, breeding program, breeding program, breeding method, brick house, bridge gap, brief period, brief history, bright light, bright collar, bring back, bring together, bring up, bring attention, bring food, bring water, bring through, bring forward, bring home, bring benefit, bring help, British Museum, British colony, British Empire, British force, British Isles, British rule, British scientist, British philosopher, British English, British Navy, British people, British history, broad range, broad sense, broad category, broad definition, broad area, broad scale, broad field, broad coverage, broad base, broad context, broad scope, broad support, broadband, broadly define, Bronze Age, bronze statue, bubonic plague, build environment, build house, build structure, build road, build network, build platform, build system, build dam, build library, build plant, build bridge, build model, build station, build character, build support, build boat, building material, building block, building structure, building design, building facility, building house, building area, bulk material, bull market, burial site, burial chamber, burial ground, burn fuel, business practice, business management, business industry, business administration, business enterprise, business opportunity, business transaction, business leader, business technology, by land, by product, by force, by law, by contrast, by hand, by comparison, by convention, by ocean, by sea, by tradition, by letter, by ship, by experience, by machine, by experiment, by air, by majority, by satellite, by computer, by land, by train, by choice, by road, by post. Calendar system, call attention, call people, Canadian government, cancer cell, capital city, capital investment, capitalist economy, capitalist society, Captain Cook. Carbon dioxide, carbon emission, carbon cycle, carbon monoxide, carbon nanotube, carbon isotope, cardinal point, cardiovascular disease, care service, care about, care program, career path, careful study, carefully control, carefully select, carefully design, cargo ship, Caribbean island, Caribbean region, carry capacity, carry disease, carry water, carry goods, carrying capacity, cartoon show, case study, case example, cast iron, cast doubt, cast shadow, catastrophic event, catastrophic flooding, catastrophic collapse, catch fish, categorize type, category include, category type, Catholic Church, Catholic faith, cattle rancher, cattle ranch, cause change, cause damage, cause death, cause disease, cause problem, cause loss, cause result, cause decline, cause collapse, cause decrease, cause harm, cause pollution, cause disruption, cause failure, cause epidemic, cause variation, cause famine, cause injury, cause pain, cause cancer, cause controversy, cause illness, cause destruction, cause distress, cause mortality, cause flooding, cause stress, cause erosion, cavalry charge, cave painting, celebrate victory, celestial body, cell wall, cell division, cell phone, cell structure, cell nucleus, cell form, cellular level, Census Bureau, center system, center region, center city, center population, center part, Central America, Central Asia, Central System, Central Europe, Central Government, Central Role, Central Part, Central Park, Central Concept, Central Region, Central Basin, Central Area, Central Feature, Central Figure, Central Authority, Central Coast, Central Place, Central Idea, Central Plaza, Central Theme, Central City, Central Issue, Central Asian, Central Committee, Central Database, Central Building, Central Axis, Centralized Control, Centralized System, Ceramic Vessel, Cereal Grain, Cereal Crop, Certain Condition, Certain Type, Certain Amount, Certain Area, Certain Region, Certain Characteristic, Certain Plant, Certain Degree, Certain Part, Certain Place, Certain Aspect, Certain Element, Certain Form, Certain Activity, Certain Pattern, Certain Material, Certain Number, Certain Point, Certain Feature, Certain Individual, Certain Time, Certain Way, Certain Length, Certain Period, Certain State, Certainly be, Chain Reaction, Challenge Phase, Change Occur, Change Time, Change Led, Change Cause, Change Affect, Change Pattern, Change Climate, change environment, change impact, change structure, change shape, change way, change form, change behavior, change color, change society, change course, change direction, change dramatically, change policy, change temperature, change effect, change calm, change system, change attitude, change name, change position, change status, change level, change life, change characteristic, change diet, change nature, change significantly, change appearance, change focus, change process, change habit, change place, change color, change method, change mind, change size, change strategy, change type, change view, change number, change quickly, change rapidly, change record, change frequency, change style, change history, change lifestyle, change world, changing environment, character name, character type, characteristic feature, characteristic pattern, characteristic set, characteristic style, characteristic method, characteristic function, charge state, chart show, cheap labor, cheap product, check-in, chemical composition, chemical element, chemical reaction, chemical compound, chemical process, chemical signal, chemical property, chemical substance, chemical formula, chemical analysis, chemical change, chemical plant, chemical system, chemical engineering, chemical pollution, chemical production, chief officer, chief minister, child learn, child bear, child labor, child life, child play, child care, child rearing, Children Act, Chinese medicine, Chinese government, Chinese character, Chinese people, Chinese culture, Chinese scholar, cholera outbreak, cholesterol level, choose word, choose one, choose name, Christian church, Christian belief, chronological order, church service, church hall, circle around, circulation pattern, site source, site example, city-state, city government, city-town, city area, city population, city council, city dweller, city center, city center, city street, city region, city planning, city department, city system, city name, city movement, civic duty, civil war, civil rights, civil right, civil service, civil society, civil disobedience, civil government, civilization develop, civilization development, civilized life, civilized society, class conflict, classic example, classic study, classical period, classical antiquity, classical art, classical era, classical model, classical architecture, classical mythology, classification system, classification scheme, clean air, clean water, clear land, clear distinction, clear boundary, clear sky, clear evidence, clear definition, clear division, clear example, clear way, clear line, clear change, clearly define, clearly visible, clearly see, clearly identify, clearly distinct, climate change, climate model, climate system, climate scientist, climate pattern, climate impact, climate condition, climatic change, climatic condition, climatic factor, climb high, clock watch, close relative, close relationship, close proximity, close contact, close enough, close resemblance, close observation, close friend, close tie, close link, close connection, closed system, closely related, closely relate, closely associate, closely link, closely resemble, closely tie, closely match, cloud cover, cloud formation, cluster group, co-worker, co-author, co-founder, cooperation, coal mining, coal mine, coal gas, coal oil, coal deposit, coarse grain, coast area, coastal region, coastal plain, coastal city, coastal water, coastal erosion. Cognitive process, cognitive science, cognitive neuroscience, cognitive development, cognitive ability, cold war, cold water, cold winter, cold region, cold temperature, cold air, cold climate, cold place, cold area, cold wind, cold condition, cold weather, collaborate with, collaborative effort, collect datum, collect sample, collect tax, collection include, collection work, collection analysis, collective action, college school, college student, college education, college graduate, college level, college city, colonial era, colonial period, colonial power, colonial rule, colonial expansion, colonial governor, colonial empire, color value, color map, color line, color photograph, Columbia University, combination form, combine element, combined action, combustion engine, come close, come together, come back, come home, come here, come conclusion, comic book, commercial success, commercial center, commercial industrial, commercial use, commercial activity, commercial company, commercial interest, commercial product, commercial service, commercial development, commercial enterprise, commercially viable, commit suicide, commit act, committee member, commodity production, common ancestor, common type, common theme, common example, common use, common cause, common problem, common sense, common feature, common form, common method, common practice, common element, common name, common source, common school, common people, common ancestry, common usage, common way, common population, common characteristic, common part, common trait, common misconception, common origin, common set, common system, common culture, common food, common occurrence, common term, common goal, common identity, common species, common ground, common model, common denominator, common effect, common good, common plant, common view, common citizen, common area, common experience, common language, common value, common symbol, common application, common means, common world, commonly use, commonly know, commonly cite, commonly believe, commonly hold, commonly regard, communication satellite, Communist Party, community structure, community member, community college, community service, community development, community leader, community life, community center, community group, community culture, community organization, community project, community site, community engagement, community work, community economy, compact form, compact body, company make, company produce, company pay, company capital, company group, comparable size, comparative anatomy, comparative study, comparatively high, comparatively large, competitive advantage, competitive sport, complete set, complete cycle, complete process, complete course, complete collection, complete control, complete school, complete separation, complete circle, complete lack, completely cover, completely eliminate, completely destroy, completely different, completely isolate, completely separate, complex system, complex structure, complex organism, complex pattern, complex process, complex interaction, complex network, complex problem, complex society, complex relationship, complex organization, complex life, complex form, complex web, complex behavior, complex ecosystem, complex set, complex task, complex design, complex device, complex case, component part, component model, composition change, comprehensive system, comprehensive list, comprehensive law, computational method, computer model, computer science, computer simulation, computer system, computer program, computer use, computer design, computer technology, computer screen, computer monitor, computer modeling, computer game, computer information, computer program, concentrated area, concentration gas, concentration increase, concentration level, concentric ring, concentric circle, concept model, conceptual framework, concern about, concerned issue, concert tour, concerted effort, conch shell, conclusive evidence, condition exist, condition improve, condition worsen, conduct research, conduct experiment, conduct survey, conduct operation, conduct analysis, confidence interval, confirm existence, confirm result, conflict management, conflict evidence, Congress approve, connect network, connection type, conservation biology, conservation effort, conservation law, conservation measure, conservation project, conservation technique, conservation issue, conservation practice, conservation program, conservation management, conservation plan, consider factor, consider evidence, consider problem, considerable influence, considerable variation, considerable distance, considerable amount, considerable attention, considerable evidence, considerable impact, considerably less, considerably more, consist entirely, consistent model, consolidate power, conspiracy theory, constant temperature, constant rate, constant pressure, constantly change, constitute majority, constitute part, construct model, construction project, construction material, construction site, construction road, construction use, construction system, construction work, construction building, consumer behavior, consumer product, consumption goods, contact people, contagious disease, contain information, contain number, contain element, contain protein, contain material, contain water, contaminate water, contemporary society, contemporary practice, contentious issue, continental drift, continental shelf, continental Europe, continually change, continue work, continue study, continue education, continue struggle, continue research, continue life, continued existence, continued growth, continued increase, continuous development, continuous movement, continuous process, continuous record, contrast study, contribute significantly, contribute directly, contribute greatly, control system, control process, control experiment, control condition, control territory, control area, control structure, control fire, control access, control environment, control movement, control rate, control function, control level, control state, control population, control flow, control region, control administration, control center, control trade, control production, controversial issue, conventional method, conventional system, conversation with, conversion efficiency, convert energy, convey message, convey information, conveyor belt, convincing evidence, cooking pot, cooking oil, cool temperature, cool climate, cool down, cool summer, cool water, cooling effect, cooperate with, coordinate system, copper alloy, copper bell, copper mine, copyright law, coral reef, core region, core sample, core component, core element, core value, corn flour, corn soybean, corn grow, corn kernel, Cornell University, correct error, correctly predict, correlate with, corresponding change, corresponding increase, corresponding period, cosmic ray, cosmic radiation, cost benefit, cost increase, cost million, cost estimate, cost dollar, cotton textile, cotton crop, cotton seed, cotton trade, cotton fiber, cotton wool, council decide, count number, counterclockwise direction, country world, country population, country region, country state, country develop, country system, country culture, country government, country people, country area, couple year, couple day, course study, course development, course project, court case, court rule, court declare, court system, court order, court justice, courtship ritual, cover area, cover range, cover surface, cover layer, cover distance, cover material, create system, create effect, create condition, create demand, create art, create change, create environment, create market, create model, create program, create form, create space, create tension, create atmosphere, create product, create wave, create community, create network, create department, create world, create job, create opportunity, create pressure, create project, create relationship, create event, create production, creation myth, creation story, creation system, crew member, critic argue, critical role, critical point, critical issue, critical period, critical element, critically important, crop yield, crop rotation, crop plant, crop production, crop failure, crop development, crop productivity, crop diversity, crop planting, cross section, cross river, cross ocean, cross boundary, cross bridge, cross line, crossover, crucial role, crucial part, crucial factor, crude oil, crystal structure, crystal form, crystal clear, CT scan, cubic meter, cultivate land, cultivate plant, cultivate crop, cultural value, cultural area, cultural study, cultural heritage, cultural practice, cultural resource, cultural group, cultural context, cultural change, cultural history, cultural influence, cultural trait, cultural development, cultural identity, cultural tradition, cultural landscape, cultural phenomenon, cultural revolution, cultural institution, cultural life, cultural aspect, cultural element, cultural environment, cultural diversity, cultural importance, culture develop, culture society, culture area, culture history, culture view, culture change, culture study, culture tradition, culture world, culture practice, culture identity, culture experience, cumulative effect, cure disease, current model, current state, current practice, current system, current research, current form, current rate, current trend, current change, current era, current understanding, current day, current level, current issue, current knowledge, current use, current consensus, current location, current work, current life, current policy, current view, current area, current pattern, current device, currently be, currently use, currently available, currently have, curve shape, cut off, cut tree, cut supply, cutting edge, cutting tool, cycle time, daily life, daily activity, daily basis, dairy product, damage cause, damage occur, damage repair, damage area, damage health, damage environment, damaging effect, damp soil, dance song, dance music, dangerous condition, dark age, dark ages, dark area, dark color, dark brown, dark light, data source, data show, data system, data analysis, data management, data collect, date time, date information, dating technique, datum system, day period, day time, day activity, day work, day pass, dead matter, dead animal, dead wood, dead sea, deadly disease, death rate, death toll, death cause, death valley, debate continue, debate issue, decay rate, decent life, decision make, decision making, decisive role, declare war, decline rate, decorative art, decrease time, decrease cost, decrease number, decrease production, decrease rate, decrease significantly, decrease temperature, deep water, deep ocean, deep sea, deep south, deep layer, deep understanding, deep root, deep part, deep structure, deep enough, deep valley, deeply affect, deeply suspicious, deeply rooted, defense mechanism, defense against, defense system, deficit disorder, defined type, defined scope, degree program, delay development, deliberate use, delicate balance, delivery system, delivery service, demand increase, demand price, demand expansion, demand right, democratic republic, demographic group, demonstratability, dense forest, dense core, dense material, dense population, densely populated, density increase, density change, deny existence, depend on, depend upon, depend heavily, dependent on, deposit layer, depression state, derive from, describe type, describe feature, describe situation, describe characteristic, descriptive name, desert region, desert area, desert mountain, desert plain, design architect, design system, design building, design build, design development, design manufacture, design feature, design process, design element, design device, design plan, design engineer, design rule, design service, design operation, design technology, design staff, design structure, design object, design way, desperately need, detailed description, detailed analysis, detailed study, detailed account, detailed observation, detailed model, detailed understanding, detailed history, detect difference, detect early, deteriorate rapidly, determine size, determine value, determine fate, determine success, determine method, determine influence, determine position, determine extent, devastating effect, develop country, develop system, develop theory, develop model, develop technique, develop concept, develop program, develop culture, develop plan, develop rapidly, develop variety, develop technology, develop relationship, develop understanding, develop process, develop network, develop economy, develop strategy, develop ability, develop device, develop resistance, develop sense, develop knowledge, develop curriculum, develop industry, develop land, develop further, develop science, develop alternative, develop gradually, develop language, develop project, develop standard, develop community, developed world, development goal, development system, development model, development led, development technology, development process, development history, development technique, development tool, development field, development theory, development production, development drive, development method, development project, development concept, development cost, development form, development period, development phase, development plan, development economy, development movement, development city, development industry, development institute, development influence, development people, development area, development need, development training, development construction, development practice, development route, development structure, development type, development activity, development group, development science, development state, development act, development action, development study, development time, development way, development initiative, development part, development thought, development power, developmental biology, developmental stage, developmental process, deviate from, device use, devote time, diagram show, dictionary definition, differ greatly, differ significantly, differ markedly, difference time, difference pressure, different system, different type, different part, different way, different form, different group, different species, different level, different culture, different time, different approach, different kind, different location, different region, different area, different rate, different style, different color, different environment, different people, different method, different mechanism, different aspect, different function, different country, different individual, different system, different period, different stage, different direction, different model, different set, different property, different position, different color, different plant, different size, different condition, different material, different perspective, different place, different school, different technique, different age, different number, different process, different angle, different field, different layer, different population, different element, different language, different role, different scale, different structure, different response, different city, different context, different degree, different speed, different background, different society, different theory, different zone, different characteristic, different community, different issue, different meaning, different pattern, different program, different shape, different source, different state, different value, different variety, different nation, different definition, different gene, different use, different depth, different effect, different experience, different food, different frequency, different name, different origin, different situation, different technology, different thing, different trend, different view, different facet, different history, different gas, different study, different version, different amount, different classification, different density, different discipline, different path, different person, different phase, different purpose, different section, different skill, different strategy, different mode, different appearance, different design, different activity, differential equation, difficult terrain, dig pit, digestive tract, digestive system, digital technology, digital computer, digital model, dim light, dining room, dioxide emission, dioxide concentration, dioxide water, dioxide gas, direct effect, direct contact, direct evidence, direct result, direct ancestor, direct action, direct connection, direct relationship, direct competition, direct sunlight, direct influence, direct source, direct observation, direct work, direct control, direct measurement, direct route, direct current, direct manipulation, direct interaction, direct payment, direct descendant, direct approach, direct cause, direct role, direct threat, direct response, direct access, direct impact, direction change, directly affect, directly relate, directly influence, directly involve, directly measure, directly related, directly cause, directly connect, directly responsible, director institute, discipline study, discover way, discrete unit, discuss issue, disease cause, disease control, disease spread, disease affect, disease death, disease resistance, disease prevention, disease transmission, disease model, display form, disproportionate influence, disproportionate impact, disseminate information, distance travel, distance limit, distance measure, distance transport, distant past, distantly related, distinct group, distinct region, distinct type, distinct species, distinct difference, distinctive feature, distinctive style, distinctive characteristic, distribute food, distribution pattern, distribution system, distribution type, distribution function, distribution control, distribution location, distribution structure, district court, diverse range, diverse group, diverse culture, dividing line, DNA sequence, DNA molecule, DNA sequencing, DNA analysis, DNA evidence, do work, do business, do good, do play, do study, do laundry, do trade, doctor degree, doctoral degree, document case, dog food, dog horse, domestic violence, domestic product, domestic animal, domestic system, domestic waste, domestic use, dominant form, dominant position, dominant group, dominant species, dominant role, dominant source, dominant force, dominant power, dominate world, dominate trade, dormant state, dot line, double rate, double helix, double size, downside, draft animal, drainage basin, drainage system, drama music, dramatic change, dramatic expansion, dramatic increase, dramatic contrast, dramatic effect, dramatically reduce, dramatically change, dramatically increase, drastic change, drastic decline, drastic step, drastically different, drastically reduce, drastically alter, drastically increase, draw attention, draw conclusion, draw inspiration, draw line, drift apart, drift model, drill hole, drink water, drinking water, drive force, drive back, drive time, driving force, drop dramatically, drop steadily, drop percent, drug use, drug administration, drug abuse, drug act, dry season, dry air, dry condition, dry region, dry land, dry soil, dry ice, dry desert, dry area, dry place, dry climate, due process, due course, due cause, Duke University, during war, during century, during year, during winter, during decade, during season, during month, during day, during pregnancy, during summer, during depression, during night, during voyage, during week, during wartime, during crisis, during visit, dust particle, dust cloud, dynamic model, dynamic system, dynamic process, dynamic change, dynamic evolution, email, early century, early period, early year, early stage, early work, early evidence, early form, early 1970, early human, early day, early history, early life, early 1990, early development, early 1980, early age, early part, early study, early date, early time, early era, early civilization, early phase, early painting, early evolution, early book, early research, early settlement, early attempt, early writing, early settler, early morning, early people, early explorer, early model, early warning, early ages, early state, early childhood, early effort, early October, early sign, early death, early finding, early 1980s, early spring, early treatment, early summer, Earth surface, Earth atmosphere, Earth orbit, Earth crust, Earth science, Earth interior, Earth history, Earth temperature, Earth base, Earth environment, earthquake tsunami, easily accessible, easily visible, easily understand, easily control, easily access, easily absorb, easily overcome, East Asia, East Coast, East Africa, East Asian, East Side, East Europe, East Area, Eastern Europe, Eastern Seaboard, Eastern Asia, Eastern Culture, Eastern Coast, Eastern Country, Eastern Region, Eastern Area, easy use, easy access, easy reach, eat food, eat meat, eating habit, ecological process, ecological economic, ecological niche, ecological theory, ecological change, economic growth, economic development, economic social, economic impact, economic value, economic activity, economic history, economic expansion, economic system, economic policy, economic factor, economic historian, economic importance, economic recession, economic sector, economic power, economic change, economic opportunity, economic loss, economic analysis, economic benefit, economic prosperity, economic damage, economic inequality, economic condition, economic theory, economic interest, economic hardship, economic resource, economic success, economic advantage, economic health, economic issue, economic sense, economic status, economic order, economic role, economic incentive, economic stability, economic base, economic cost, economic method, economic performance, economic production, economic force, economic aspect, economic focus, economic innovation, economic zone, economic right, economical use, economically viable, economically important, economy base, economy state, economy society, economy scale, economy environment, ecosystem service, ecosystem process, ecosystem management, educate child, educate public, educate student, educate school, educate people, education system, education program, education act, education association, education class, education institution, education law, education practice, education experience, education service, education level, education research, education fund, education method, education world, educational system, educational institution, educational program, educational organization, educational practice, educational reform, educational opportunity, educational purpose. Effect change, effect occur, effect reduce, effect factor, effective size, effective way, effective treatment, effective method, effective use, effective program, effective system, effective means, effective technique, efficient use, efficient system, efficient way, efficient mechanism, efficient equipment, egg yolk, 18th century. 8th grade, either be, either have, either side, elaborate system, elder son, elderly people, elderly woman, elect president, elect representative. Election year, electric charge, electric field, electric motor, electric power, electric current, electric lighting, electric shock, electric lamp, electrical activity, electrical signal, electrical power, electrical energy, electrical field, electricity generation, electromagnetic radiation, electromagnetic field, electromagnetic spectrum, electromagnetic wave, electron microscope, electron microscopy, electronic device, electronic equipment, electronic industry, element composition, elementary school, elementary education, elementary level, elevated level, eliminate need, eliminate waste, embryonic development, emergency service, emergency room, emergency relief, emission reduction, emit radiation, emit light, emotional experience, emotional state, emotional reaction, emotional response, emotional health, emphasis on, emphasize importance, emphasize need, empirical evidence, empirical research, empirical observation, empirical study, employ people, employ method, employ worker, employment opportunity, empty space, enable use, enable application, enact law, enact legislation, encode information, encourage people, encourage development, encourage growth, encourage student, encourage woman, encourage use, end war, end result, end product, end season, endangered species, energy source, energy flow, energy consumption, energy production, energy efficiency, energy use, energy release, energy material, energy balance, energy store, energy supply, energy transfer, energy resource, energy system, energy power, energy input, energy technology, energy transport, energy crisis, energy cost, energy development, energy price, energy reserve, energy storage, energy heat, energy environment, energy industry, energy information, energy product, energy form, enforce law, enforce regulation, engage activity, engineering management, engineering discipline, engineering science, engineering technique, engineering design, engineering technology, engineering method, engineering field, engineering mathematics, English language, English word, English translation, English name, English dictionary, English writer, English country, English countryside, enhance image, enjoy success, enlist help, enormous amount, enormous number, enough food, enough time, enough force, enough money, enough heat, enough light, enrollment rate, ensure supply, ensure protection, enter market, enter period, enter field, enter state, enter first, enter age, enter force, entire population, entire surface, entire body, entire area, entire world, entire army, entire city, entire system, entire life, entire region, entire process, entire building, entire community, entire family, entire universe, entire cycle, entirely new, entirely different, entirely separate, entry point, environment program, environment agency, environment change, environment influence, environment condition, environment factor, environment system, environment affect, environment development, environmental protection, environmental factor, environmental condition, environmental movement, environmental impact, environmental issue, environmental problem, environmental change, environmental degradation, environmental science, environmental effect, environmental management, environmental resource, environmental health, environmental influence, environmental concern, environmental study, environmental damage, environmental group, environmental justice, environmental challenge, environmental pressure, environmental stress, environmental threat, environmental activist, environmental organization, environmentally sustainable, environmentally friendly, enzymatic activity, epic poem, epidemic of, equal number, equal importance, equal right, equal basis, equal opportunity, equal education, equal size, equal speed, equally important, equally likely, equatorial region, equilibrium state, equipment use, especially important, especially vulnerable, especially popular, especially true, especially large, especially useful, especially strong, especially emphasize, especially close, essential nutrient, essential element, essential part, essential role, essential component, essential ingredient, essential feature, essential aspect, essential skill, essential need, essential production, essentially impossible, established system, established control, established government, established relationship, establish organization, establish institution, establish community, establish contact, establish company, establish foundation, estimate value, estimate cost, estimate risk, ethical issue, ethical legal, ethnic group, ethnic minority, European Union, European country, European culture, European immigrant, European society, European nation, European language, European city, European Renaissance, European history, European population, European Commission, European model, European university, European continent, European travel, evaporation rate, evaporative cooling, even more, even have, even change, even bad, even number, evenly distribute, evenly spread, event occur, event information, eventually become, eventually led, eventually reach, eventually come, eventually bring, eventually produce, eventually replace, eventually arrive, eventually meet, ever exist, ever change, ever have, ever see, everyday life, everyday activity, everyday practice, everyday language, evidence suggest, evidence support, evidence indicate, evidence show, evidence exist, evidence base, evidence study, evidence theory, evidence system, evolution process, evolution system, evolution theory, evolution mechanism, evolutionary history, evolutionary biology, evolutionary change, evolutionary theory, evolutionary process, evolutionary tree, evolutionary biologist, evolutionary psychology, evolutionary development, evolutionary adaptation, evolutionary past, evolve independently, exact cause, exact date, exact nature, exact location, examine evidence, examine report, example show, example study, example system, example report, example type, example result, example program, example section, example figure, exceptional case, exceptionally large, excess heat, excess energy, excess water, excessive demand, excessive detail, exchange information, exchange rate, exclusive right, executive order, executive director, exercise influence, exert influence, exert effect, exert force, exhibition gallery, exotic species, expand access, expand range, expand trade, expand knowledge, experience growth, experience difficulty, experience loss, experience life, experience time, experience show, experience discrimination, experience work, experiential learning, experiment show, experiment find, experiment study, experiment reveal, experiment prove, experiment technique, experimental study, experimental evidence, experimental method, experimental research, experimental technique, expert belief, explain difference, explain fact, exploit resource, explore issue, explore relationship, explore nature, explore world, explore area, explore potential, explosive eruption, explosive growth, exponential growth, export product, export market, export country, export industry, express feeling, express concern, express train, express view, extend far, extend range, extend period, extended period, extended family, extension system, extension model, extensive network, extensive use, extensive study, extensively use, exterior surface, external factor, external process, external field, external source, external condition, external influence, external threat, external surface, external appearance, external force, extinct species, extinction event, extra copy, extra energy, extract mineral, extraordinarily complex, extraordinarily high, extraordinary power, extrasolar planet, extraterrestrial life, extreme event, extreme weather, extreme case, extreme environment, extreme heat, extreme temperature, extreme value, extreme condition, extreme pressure, extreme version, extreme right, extreme climate, extremely high, extremely low, extremely important, extremely popular, extremely difficult, extremely hot, extremely complex, extremely rare, extremely small, extremely arid, extremely slow, extremely susceptible, extremely sensitive, extremely versatile, extremely long, face challenge, face issue, face problem, face resistance, face pressure, face threat, face situation, facial expression, facial feature, facilitate use, facilitate process, factor include, factor affect, factor influence, factor control, factor determine, factory worker, fade away, fairly constant, fall over, fall sharply, fall victim, fall percent, fall ground, fall ill, fall love, fall term, fall behind, false image, false information, family member, family community, family tree, family history, family group, family life, family structure, family business, family friend, family income, family relationship, family unit, famous example, famous book, famous school, famous statue, far more, far away, far north, far less, far east, far south, far side, far west, far enough, far exceed, farewell, farmland, farm family, farm income, farm animal, farm work, farm production, farm ranch, farm crop, farm labor, farm owner, farming practice, farming method, farming technique, farming community, fast rate, fast grow, fast pace, fast move, fast recovery, fatality rate, fatty acid, favorable condition, feasibility study, feature film, feature structure, federal government, federal law, federal agency, federal program, federal court, federal aid, federal regulation, federal legislation, federal system, federal state, federal district, federal funding, federal land, federal commission, federal judge, federal fund, federal regulations, federal administration, feed animal, feed product, feedback loop, female relative, female worker, feminist movement, fertile soil, fertile valley, fever disease, few year, few hundred, few decade, few day, few people, few week, few hour, few month, few minute, few time, few case, few individual, fiction novel, fiction writer, fiction story, fiction author, fictional character, field study, field research, field application, field observation, field experiment, field investigation, field battle, fierce resistance, fiercely independent, 50-year, figure show, figure out, figure represent, figure indicate, filter water, final stage, final form, final year, final report, final decision, final step, finally achieve, finally led, finally decide, finally form, finally meet, finance minister, financial support, financial service, financial crisis, financial difficulty, financial burden, financial risk, financial gain, financial sector, financial investment, find evidence, find way, find site, find cause, find work, find difference, find place, find help, find location, find job, find position, find employment, find time, find market, find value, find example, find water, find people, find support, find outside, find back, find field, find target, finding show, fine art, fine arts, fine detail, fine example, fine piece, fine particle, fine scale, fine powder, fine quality, finished product, fire burn, fire suppression, fire clay, fire temperature, fire hazard, fire control, firm basis, firmly establish, first time, first use, first year, first appear, first half, first century, first novel, first decade, first president, first person, first case, first attempt, first contact, first place, first work, first revolution, first floor, first example, first period, first step, first group, first appearance, first edition, first evidence, first introduce, first stage, first encounter, first woman, first class, first phase, first book, first day, first wave, first generation, first month, first settler, first part, first program, first line, first application, first expedition, first mention, first report, first com, first site, first station, first building, first version, first feature, first area, first record, first set, first effort, first meeting, first third, first quarter, first experience, first glance, first instance, first column, first site, first sign, first create, first letter, first piece, first child, first degree, first flight, first hand, first unit, first response, first act, first notice, first section, first call, first date, first experiment, first name, first start, first series, first cause, fish species, fish meal, fish stock, fishing rights, fishing net, fit well, 5-day, fix point, flash flood, flat surface, flat area, flat plain, flood plain, flow through, flow water, flow out, flow rate, flow direction, flower plant, flowering plant, focal point, focus shift, focus attention, focus group, focus issue, focus entirely, focus area, focus effort, focus system, follow statement, follow suit, follow model, follow pattern, follow example, follow development, follow way, follow path, follow rule, follow step, follow law, follow order, follow through, follow line, follow tradition, follow guideline, follow movement, follow route, follow regulation, following year, following day, following morning, following decade, following month, food supply, food security, food source, food production, food web, food crop, food chain, food price, food supplies, food energy, food administration, food shortage, food product, food resource, food safety, food consumption, food system, food processing, food industry, food plant, food program, food item, food shelter, food import, food preparation, food storage, food distribution, food produce, food material, food crisis, food type, for instance, force change, foreign policy, foreign power, foreign minister, foreign government, foreign country, foreign culture, foreign land, foreign language, foreign nation, foreign influence, forest fire, forest area, forest ecosystem, forest floor, forest service, forest canopy, forest soil, forest tree, forest park, forest land, forest region, forested area, form group, form structure, form government, form factor, form association, form colony, form cloud, form foundation, form relationship, form idea, form network, form union, form language, form cell, form community, formal education, formal recognition, formal title, formation structure, formative period, former student, former colony, former president, former time, former ally, former officer, formerly no, forward movement, forward look, fossil record, fossil fuel, fossil evidence, fossil plant, fossil remains, foundation system, foundation education, 4/5, 4-phase, free trade, free state, free market, free land, free people, free school, free water, free education, free speech, free movement, free space, free flow, free area, French Revolution, French government, French word, French engineer, French people, frequent use, frequent change, frequently use, frequently occur, frequently involve, freshwater, freshwater lake, friendly manner, from beginning, from childhood, front end, front line, front part, front leg, front building, frontal assault, frozen water, fruit tree, fuel efficient, fuel consumption, fuel gas, fuel cost, fuel use, full moon, full size, full time, full scale, full range, full use, full extent, full year, fully develop, fully understand, fully recover, fully realize, function structure, function system, functional group, functioning system, fund project, fund research, fund institution, fund use, fundamental principle, fundamental change, fundamental way, fundamental difference, fundamental level, fundamental unit, fundamental concept, fundamental structure,